I'd just like to make a very short remark. We're very honored on behalf of the government of Fiji to welcome again the United Nations Under Secretary General for Peace Operations, Mr. Lacroix, with his delegation here today, his military advisor, General Pierce, his advisor for the police, and also to the far right is Fiji's permanent representative to the United Nations, of course, the Honorable Sakesh Detoka, Minister for Foreign Affairs, Manda Reshemech, and Assistant Commissioner of Police. The Under Secretary General is here on a day-and-a-half visit to Fiji to look at strengthening particularly the relationships between Fiji, who is long committed to multilateralism and also to UN operations for the last 50 years. And his visit to Fiji, amongst other things, is to strengthen and solidify Fiji's commitment to peace in the world and especially to the United Nations. So without further ado, I'll invite the Under Secretary General to share a few words and of course then leave questions to the media for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honourable Minister, and a very good afternoon to you. First of all, I want to thank the Government of Fiji, the Honourable Prime Minister, the Minister of Defence, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, and the senior officials, senior officers for the warm welcome. And I want to really use the opportunity of that visit with my colleagues, Jean-Pierre and Commissioner Faisal Shaka, head of all military things and head of all police things at the UN. We all want to use this opportunity to express our gratitude to Fiji and recognize the gallantry and the excellent service of the Fijian peacekeepers, men and women. Fiji has a very strong record in UN peacekeeping. It's probably the highest troop and police contributing countries per capita. If we relate the level of participation and the population, and I believe that it's a testimony of the fact that peacekeeping and multilateralism really is a core value of Fiji. So as the Honourable Minister was saying, we want to further increase that cooperation. We do believe, and I do believe personally, that we need a strong voice of the Pacific region in the UN and in UN peacekeeping in particular. And from that point of view, Fiji plays a central role through its participation in our peacekeeping operation, but also through the training capacity that it can provide, particularly with these excellent training center. So I'm very happy to see that there is a very strong commitment to continuing our joint efforts, a strong commitment to work together so that we can overcome the challenges that we face together. We have a divided world, we have financial constraints, we have conflicts that are evolving very fast, the technologies, the threats, but I'm confident that we can preserve the readiness of the UN to address these conflicts if we develop further the very strong cooperation we have with our troop and police contributing country, and Fiji stands very high in what I call the family of peacekeeping. So I want to again express my gratitude. I also want to recognize the sacrifice of those Fijian peacekeepers who actually made the ultimate sacrifice in the service of peace. And I think we owe it to their legacy to not only continue our efforts, but to redouble them. So I think I will leave it at that, Your Excellency, and thank you.
So questions now to the members of the media, and we have Fiji government to begin.
Mulai sir, I am Melini Sele. from the Ministry of Information. I have 2 questions for you, sir. Fiji has a long and respected history of contributing to peacekeepers to UN missions. How do you assess Fiji's contribution, and what role do you see Fiji playing in the future of peace operations? And my second question, sir, what message would you like to leave with the people of Fiji and the wider Pacific about their role in advancing international peace and security?
Well, thank you very much. I think that I see both strong experience and strong commitments in Fiji and its the involvement of Fiji in UN peacekeeping. Fijian peacekeepers have participated many peacekeeping operations in Africa, in the Middle East, in the region of Indo-Pacific, and building on that experience, I believe that the potential for further involvement is very strong. And the other thing is that very strong dedication to multilateralism, to UN, to resolving challenges through collective solutions, starting with the region, the Pacific region, and the rest of the world. So I think these are very strong platforms for the involvement in peacekeeping. These are very strong bases for furthering and developing our cooperation with Fiji. I am confident that with the potential that I see here, we can do more, and I would repeat that we need a strong voice and a strong participation of the Pacific region in UN peacekeeping.
So I do have a question for the Minister for Defense, Jean-Pierre Tikoduadua. Sir, how does Fiji intend to strengthen its partnership with the United Nations in support of international peace and security?
Today, the Prime Minister strengthened Fiji's commitment to multilateralism. And Fiji recognizes that really is the way to solve solutions and conflict throughout the world. And the United Nations, for that matter, is the rallying flag around that. And so our commitments, not only in peacekeeping, but also within other mandates of the United Nations. The Under-Secretary General is here today as part, recognizing that commitment by Fiji. The complexities of future peace operations in the world is going to become more complex. We stand ready to showcase what we have and the capabilities that we have here in Fiji, and ultimately the values that we have acquired over the last 50 years of our peacekeeping commitment, that we have also extended to the police and also to our correction services. So there is no doubt about our commitment. Government is very supportive of that idea, and that commitment, as you know, we have a peacekeeping strategy that is coming up. Of course, the national security strategy has articulated the intentions of government and how it wants to pursue peacekeeping into the future, and it places a special emphasis on regionalism and the security of the region is very critical. And I think that is kind of the best way to contribute, a Fijian contribution, contributing that soft voice, and that voice of the Pacific in the United Nations in the area of peace. So there is definitely Fiji's commitment to that, and we thank the Under-Secretary General and his team for coming down from New York. They've traveled half the world to come here, and that's really the measure of our combined and our joint operations to try and keep the world, make the world a safer place.
Thank you very much, sir.